How to add a subsection to your Facebook page. If any day you would like to add a subsection to your Facebook page, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. In order to do so, first of all, tap on Facebook on your mobile device, then go to the three lines on the top. After that, you can go to your profile section like this and go to the three dots there. After you go to the three dots, you can go to the interface of Edit Action buttons. And when you tap on the option of Edit Action buttons, you can see an interface like this. After that, you have to go to the option of Edit the buttons, and then you can see an interface like this. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of View the Shop. After you find the option of View the Shop, you have to tap on that. Now, one thing you have to remember is that you have to keep the email as well if you have not kept the email. You have to type the very correct email on the very option of email as it has also been written. Please enter a valid email. After you tap your correct email out there, you have to go to the option of Save and you have to tap on the option of Shape there. And after you tap on the option of Save, now you have to scroll down and again you have to go to the option of Edit buttons. And then again you have to scroll down and again you have to go to the option of Shop button out there. And when you see the shop button out there, you have to tap on the option of View the Shop and tap there and go to the option of Save again. And after you go to the option of Save, this way your shop button will be added there. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.